this is my second video ever, so please go easy on me and leave your feedback in the comments below. This way I can make better videos for you guys. I'm here to share my experience and make valuable content for you. Now back to the wagon. This Volkswagen has definitely seen better days. It's got quite a few issues I want to take care of. Mechanical, cosmetic, and everything in between. I'm really enjoying bringing cars back to life, and that's why I'm going to rectify this Passat. In the next episodes, we will start with the obvious, the engine knock. Just listen how bad it sounds. I'll take you through the troubleshooting, the fix, and all of the unexpected problems that come up along the way. Then we will move to the bodywork, window tint issue, detailing, and a few other small fixes until the car looks and drives the way it should again. It runs, but it doesn't run well. All of the lights are on and it doesn't run well. So if you like real repairs, not just perfect results, subscribe and don't miss the next episodes. I want to share my experience with you. The tips, tricks, mistakes and success. Everything that comes with bringing cars back to life.